Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce Lee!
Oh, this is a moment, folks. Two legends in one handshake.
Ready? Go ahead, drop.
Whoa! Ah! Man, you snatched that thing out of thin air. Okay, here's the mix.
Light taps, quick.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3,
Thank you,
4,
champ.
5.
6, 7, 1! My word!
He ripped that thick rope clean in two. Look at those fibers fly. Bruce Lee, ladies and gentlemen.
Kick snaps, then return. Nothing left hanging.
Man, that blink passed me.
Hands here, let the elbow lead. Try.
Like that?
Close, now ship and touch.
Oh, thought I had you.